Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to report a problem in Facebook. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step, we need to go and open Facebook app. And from here, if we shake our phone, as you can see, we probably might have report a technical problem by shaking the phone. But what if we don't want to shake our phone and go to settings? Simply easy. Just go back and click over here up the right corner to your icon and then go down a little bit and click on help and support. Click on it. And from here, whenever you click on help and support, just choose report a problem. And now you can continue to report a problem over here if you click on it. And here we have two options, include and do not include. So we're going to click on do not include. We click on it. And from here, we have multiple options or products I can tell. So for example, if we choose this one, which is huddle, from here we can report our problem. And whenever we report the problem, this is going to be all in today's video. At the end, that was all in the tutorial. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.